sharp engraving tools is extremely important. So, I will try to show you how I do it. This is the Universal 116-degree template from Lindsay Engraving. This is also the sharpening I use for most of my outline and shading. But the technique is the same for most templates. Okay, let's go. First, you sharpen the belly. It is very important that you sharpen these two sides equally the same. Then the two upper sides and the top of the graver. These sides are less important, but the more you remove, the more tiny the graver will be. It will also be more fast and easy to touch up the face later. Then you have to sharpen the face. Sharpen till you get a sharp point. And then it's the heel. The length of the heel is a personal preference, but longer heels are good for straight lines, and shorter heels are better for curves. Put a bead at the end of your blank graver and stick it in your sharpening fixture. Put it in the little plastic tube that followed your sharpening set and let it slide till the end. Then you have the correct length to start sharpening. The place of the bead is also very handy for quick touch-ups later. First, the two belly sides. If you don't have a power hone, you just have to use the bench stones. Or watch till the end and I'll show you a cheap alternative. I'll speed up the process a little, if not the video will be very long and even more boring. May be difficult to see on the video, but now the belly is evenly sharpened on both sides of the graver. So now, I'll start with the two top edges and the top. Even if the two top sides are less important, I always sharpen them equally the same. Yeah, this is fine. And now, the top of the graver. Yeah, that's okay. Now, place your sharpening fixture in the large template and start with the face. Sharpen till you have a sharp point. Yeah, that looks just about it. Now, I place the sharpening fixture in the small template again and finish on the bench stones. I repeat the process in the same order. The reason I do this is if there is any tiny difference from the power hone to the bench stones, I prefer the angles to match the bench stones correctly. And it is on the bench stones I will always do the touch-ups. I do touch-ups of the graver many times during the day. Here I start with the 600 grit stone, then the 1200 stone, and so on before I polish the graver. So remember, first the belly on the small template, then the two upper sides and the top. The tiny stone you see close to the power hone is a ceramic stone for high polish, but that's for another video. Now I'll change to the big template, but remember, before sharpening the face, make sure to check that the graver has the correct length again. Here I'm using the Lindsay foolproof sharpening bead setter. This saves me a lot of time every day, but the plastic tube is okay too. Now I'll make sure the face becomes nice and shiny and obviously sharp. Perfect. So let's do the heel. Personally, I prefer only a few light touches on the 2000 grit stone, but you have to experiment what you like. So to my little tips for saving some money, if you don't have a power hone, Lindsay Engraving Tools has this little adapter you can put in a drill press and make a cheap power hone. Now, the music is finished, and I don't have anything more to say, but if you find the video useful, I hope you press like, or maybe buy me a coffee, link in the description. Feel free to comment. Thanks to Al for the voiceover, and thank you for watching.